First of the month. Did you get those meters read?
Yeah, got my water heater, heat pump, dehumidifier, and the meter for Jules and Ruby read.
Okay.
So we're all set. First of the month. I got to clean my filter sometime today.
Oh joy.
Oh yeah.
It's raining this morning. Not heavy right now, but enough that I'm feeding these guys in the cat hotel. Good morning, boys. Good morning. Our temperature is supposed to drop throughout the day today. It started out at 67 and it's already cooled off 5 degrees. Hi, bud. Good morning. Good morning, Stripe. Good morning, Morris. I'm gonna stop just in time for you to go get the paper.
Yeah.
Better hurry though. I don't think it's done.
Yeah, it's cooling off too. The temperature's dropping.
Yeah. Guess it's a good thing it's a work day. Or we'd be doing day 3 in the yard. Although Don did say a 50-degree day would be preferable to an 80-degree day for working out there. Hi, Tux. Hey, bud.
Just the paper.
Just the paper. No Legos today, huh? Well, the first thing on my list this morning is I really want to finish the height of the second floor and maybe do just the floor part of the third floor. I am basically done with the second floor of the corner candy store. I need to add flowers to the window boxes. I am missing a couple of tiles here, 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 here. And I need to decide if I'm going to put the shutters on the windows. I just ordered the shutters, so probably instead of having the clear glass, there's a little shutter pattern that goes here. So, you know, certainly done to where I can start on the third floor. I'll do that tomorrow. I don't really plan to work more on it today. And it's looking good. I love how this door area turned out on the second floor. That is, I haven't done anything like this stair step in that door before, so that's pretty cool. Yeah, it's going good. I put in an order for what I was missing, and I'm sure it'll take a few days, but like I said, I can start on the third floor, so I'm good. I'm having some extra help here with keeping the camera steady right now. Are you helping me out nighttime? Are you trying to tell me you're hungry? Okay. Tex and I didn't make our walk this morning, but it's not raining right now, and now seems like a good time. I've been sitting doing Legos and then sitting doing first of the month bills, and yeah, a walk seems like a good idea now. We had at least another inch of rain this morning. Ah, I see what's going on. Aqua is flushing the water system, and by that mailbox up there is where they've got it open, and all of that water goes through our yard. Normally they open it up over here. It goes under the driveway and then down through the front. This time they've opened it up over on the side. Yeah, you can see the water rushing through over there and down here under the bridge. Next up on today's hit parade is put away Valentine's Day and get out St. Patrick's and some Easter Village in the other room, St. Patrick's green here at the kitchen table. Well, this is what I got for the St. Patrick's Day table. We have turned green. You hold down the fort for me. I am headed to Target for a Cybertruck. I had Ruby out a little bit ago. Johnny had private taekwondo lesson. I got as far as I wanted to get with the St. Patrick's Day and Easter stuff, but I'm running in about 90 minutes longer than I wanted to be going up there. It's getting, you know, rush hour time, but that's okay. I got time. I do have the time. Yeah, basically news broke a couple days ago. I'm sure Derek and them, Eric Straight, and David were the first to mention it. But the Mattel Hot Wheels remote controlled Cybertruck hit Target. Now those of us that ordered it sometime last year, we had to actually go in and say, it's okay that you're delivering it late, we still want it. And we were promised like May, so it's a little odd. A lot of people were saying, you know, we paid our money, or we put up our money and then they're putting it in the stores first. And then of course all of us that ordered were out there trying to buy one from the store, but it is what it is. It's okay. So I went on to the Holly Springs Target and they had one left in stock and I ordered it, and they actually sent me a confirmation that, you know, it's ready for me to pick it up. So I was expecting, hey, we went to fill the order and we don't have it. So I really do think they have this one, but we'll find out in a few minutes if my Cybertruck is up at the Target. It is 62 and just so humid here today, and we have had on and off rain, which was more than we were supposed to have. Don says he might stop at 5, it's 4:15, and come and work over here a little bit today for his exercise, since he's still trying not to run on his foot. And everything we were doing out here was okay. Wasn't bothering his foot. So, I don't know. They must be about done flushing the system. One would think that they would be about done, but it takes a while for the excess, you know, runoff to really taper off. So, we'll see. I don't see the aqua guy up here in the cul-de-sac anymore. And usually whenever they're flushing the system, the guy sits up there in the truck the whole time, like hours. Waiting for the system to flush. So I don't know. I don't see his truck, and I don't see the water coming out from by the mailbox over here anymore. So they're probably done. Yeah, we were not supposed to get this much rain today. I guess the road does look dry over here, but it stayed cloudy longer, rained more, didn't cool off as quick. However you want to look at it, the weather today, the forecast, it didn't quite work like they thought. Well, the sky looks really scary, but the radar doesn't, so hopefully I can go in and come back out and not get soaked, since I don't have an umbrella and I'm determined to park far away. I looked in the regular aisle area just in case, and they're not, neither one of those. And then they're still having these, you know, ID cars. I did not realize there was a Jaguar I-Pace. And they also had a Model S, so I'm going to pick those up too. I'm back in Ruby, and here's the goods. Here's the goods. Yay! There you can see it. Way cool. You know, I still have all of the boys' Hot Wheels stuff up in the attic. All that orange track, bins of it. I mean, like, tons of it. Gas at the Sheets on this side of town was $2.67. Don was reading in Sunday's paper that they thought the prices were going to go up to $3 a gallon here, which is, you know, roughly 85 to $1 more a gallon than it has been. So definitely already started to climb. Rain on me. Well, the sun is pretty much set. It's 5:50 p.m. I was noticing they've put the soccer goals here on the baseball field. It's a little wet to be doing much of anything out there today, though. We are a soggy mess. A green, but soggy mess. Hey, Mittens. Hi. Hello. So the rain saved you from yard work.
Yeah, I was gonna go honest. I swear I was typing the word and I heard this pitter patter rain, and it's like, oh, it's raining. I can't work out in the rain, so I didn't go out and pull up scrub today. So you picked up something at Target?
I did.
Oh my goodness. Oh wow, a Cybertruck. This one's for me, right? I'm your favorite.
Uh-huh.
Oh well, you're upset.
They only had the one. There weren't any on the shelf, and that one was in the pickup area, so that was cool.
You're touched me. I'm special. I got a Cybertruck.